Hello guys, this is Jamil, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to create a multiple stroke to a path. So first of all, please create a new file on your Illustrator. Select star tool and draw a star. Go to window and appearance. Change the stroke to 10. Wow, this is my star, and I want to duplicate this one. To duplicate this one, please click on this icon to duplicate the star. Now we change the color of the star to this one and change to 20. Do the same. Now change the color to this one. Wow, this is amazing. And to change this to 30. So do the same to create more strokes to a path. We can change the direction of paths. You can check this one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more video updates. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, and I love you all.